a village in which the children and peoples were curious about gaining the knowledge of Islam. Also in this village, an old man named Hassan has a lot of knowledge about Islam. He teaches the children and give the knowledge about Islam. All the children come to him and gain knowledge.
So please tell me us a story about Islam. Yes, of course. Today I am telling you a story about the very kind-hearted boy named Jamal. A kind-hearted person, Jamal lived in a small village. He was always help her mother. One day, Jamal was playing outside, and unfortunately, he was found an ancient book. This book is full of stories about our Prophet Muhammad. One story about helping others touches Jamal's emotions. After this, Jamal helping peoples in every tough situations and problems.
Sir, can we helping others?
Yes, you helping others in any good work if they need any type of your help.
Thank you, sir. We learned too much about Islam and helping others.
So we get the moral of the story is we were always helping others.